Choosing between hand-expressing breast milk and using a breast pump is a common question for new parents. The truth is, neither method is universally better, they simply serve different purposes. Understanding when and how to use each technique can make breastfeeding more comfortable, protect your milk supply, and help you meet your family's unique needs. On Pump with Isabella, we believe every breastfeeding journey is different, and having multiple tools in your toolbox can make all the difference. Hand expression is the process of removing breast milk using only your hands. It requires no equipment, electricity, or accessories, making it one of the most accessible breastfeeding skills every parent should learn. Breast pumps, on the other hand, use suction to remove milk mechanically and are available in manual, electric, wearable, and hospital-grade models. Hand expression works especially well during the first few days after birth when your breasts produce small amounts of colostrum. Because colostrum is thick and sticky, it often collects more efficiently with hand expression than with a pump. Many hospitals and lactation consultants recommend learning this technique before leaving the maternity ward. Using a breast pump becomes especially helpful when you need larger milk volumes, are returning to work, exclusively pumping, building a freezer stash, or spending time away from your baby. Electric pumps can remove milk from both breasts simultaneously, saving valuable time while helping maintain milk production when used consistently. One major advantage of hand expression is that it costs nothing. You never need replacement parts, batteries, or cleaning supplies beyond basic hand hygiene and a clean collection container. It is also completely silent, portable, and can be done almost anywhere without carrying extra equipment. Breast pumps offer convenience in different ways. Double electric pumps often empty breasts faster than hand expression once milk flow is established, making them ideal for busy schedules. Wearable pumps provide additional flexibility, although they may not work equally well for everyone. Many parents find hand expression more comfortable because they control the pressure and rhythm. If pumping feels painful despite correct flange sizing, learning hand expression can provide relief while still removing milk effectively. However, extended hand expression sessions can tire your hands, especially if you're expressing large volumes multiple times each day. Efficiency depends on your situation. For collecting a few teaspoons of colostrum, relieving mild engorgement, or softening the breast before a feeding, hand expression is often the better choice. For replacing regular feedings, increasing supply through frequent milk removal, or expressing several ounces at a time, pumping is generally more practical. You don't have to choose only one method. Many lactation professionals recommend combining both techniques. Pumping first and then hand expressing for a few additional minutes can sometimes increase the amount of milk collected by ensuring the breasts are emptied more completely. Likewise, gently massaging and hand expressing before pumping may encourage a faster letdown. There are also situations where hand expression shines. If your pump suddenly stops working, you forget your pump at home, lose electricity during travel, or experience severe engorgement that prevents a pump from fitting properly, hand expression can be an invaluable backup skill. Learning proper hand expression takes practice. Begin by washing your hands, placing your thumb above the nipple and fingers below in a C shape several centimeters behind the nipple. Then gently press back toward your chest before compressing your fingers together. Avoid sliding across the skin or squeezing the nipple itself. Rotate your finger position around the breast to drain different milk ducts. If using a breast pump, proper flange sizing, comfortable suction settings, and regular pumping sessions are key to maximizing milk removal while protecting your nipples. Stronger suction does not necessarily produce more milk and can actually cause discomfort or tissue damage. Ultimately, the best method depends on your goals, your baby's needs, and your daily routine. Hand expression offers simplicity, flexibility, and excellent control, while pumping provides speed and convenience for larger milk removal. Many successful breastfeeding parents use both throughout their journey, switching between techniques as circumstances change. Remember that the amount of milk you express, whether by hand or with a pump, is not a measure of your worth or your ability to nourish your baby. Every drop counts, and every family's breastfeeding experience is unique. By learning both hand expression and pumping, you'll be prepared for nearly any situation with confidence and peace of mind.